We are at Paris's biggest robotics hackathon ever. Since 9 a.m. this morning, 100 builders have been developing physical AI models onto robotic arms.
30 robots, 20 teams, all of them in Paris to show what people can build.
Let's get this hackathon started.
AI for robotics is going to be very big in the next years. You can have a robot that can build and repair like a fleet of robots. So for the first time it could be exponential. That's for me the ChatGPT moment of robotics.
They're experimenting and playing around with the robots. Some people took like hardware from home and they are experimenting and plugging it in their robots and see what they can do. Going extremely well. Everyone who are working really hard. I can't wait to see what they will do, honestly.
For the technical challenge, the first thing is to use a Mistral model at some point. It means that you need to use the LLM, take action, for instance, transmit voice to text to action. The second rule is that the SO100 open source hardware from Hugging Face team need to be at the center of the project.
We had some hardware issues. Let's see if it works in 1 hour, you will see that. We believe tech talent is scattered across Europe. We want to bring them all towards one single place. We think Paris is the next big hub for AI, for innovation, for tech.
We're really at the crux of robotics and AI and open source all coming together.
How can you put a new product into production in the least amount of time possible, right?
They all seem to have mastered the tools very fast.
I think for us, what we care most about is people that are doing creative applications of robotics. We've got the Mistral team that's here to support as well. We're really looking forward to it.
AI for robotics will create a new standard and everyone will be able to collaborate, to share, to innovate.
So we built the piano bot, which is basically the next David Guetta. You can just read the notes, then the robot is going to play them and loop them again, and it's going to create the best song ever.
The vast majority of the data, in my opinion, should come from an earlier pre-training stage that involves like video and like understanding the physical world besides just the behavior of the robot.
I have chosen my secret animal.
The animal comes from Africa.
So now the policy model will take over. He will remove every animal that do not correspond to the question.
Well, wouldn't it just be nice to have a end-to-end AI collaborative system to help us pack all our stuff for the hackathon?
Hey Morty, can you pick up the tape for the hackathon, please?
Rick, I guess you gotta pick the tape. Yes, Morty. Tape is the answer. Watch closely, Morty. This is how you handle adhesives without getting stuck.
We wanted to make robotics more fun, and we wanted to build something that is closer to a true companion robot.
Whilst also to recreate emotion.
So you can see that these emotions are very visible. Humans can sort of feel the emotion by just looking at it.
I'm here to help keep our beaches clean.
He's first saying hi because he's polite. Say hi everyone, guys.
Exactly, we're going to general. The third prize goes to Rick and Morty team.
I had an amazing team.
Le copain.
Happy together we are doing this. Perfect.
For me, it was the most exciting and most fulfilling hackathon I've ever done.